Hello everyone, today I will show you how to withdraw profit from Headway bonus. First, open Headway and log into your account. Once you are logged in, go to the dashboard. The dashboard is where you can see your account balance, trading activity, and wallet. If your profit or balance is currently in the wallet, you cannot withdraw it directly. You will need to perform an internal transfer to move the funds to your main account. To do this, select your wallet from the From list. Then, select your main account from the To list. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Once the amount is entered, confirm the transfer. The funds will now appear in your main account as available balance. After the transfer is complete, go to your main account and select Withdrawal. This will take you to the withdrawal page. On this page, you will see all the payment methods that are available to withdraw your money. Common options include electronic payments, bank transfers, and cryptocurrency wallets. Choose the method that is most convenient for you. Once you have selected your preferred method, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Some methods may require verification, such as confirming a code sent to your email or phone. After confirming the details, submit your withdrawal request. Headway will process the request, and the money will be sent to your chosen payment method. Thanks for watching.